Good morning, baby garage. We had to come out last night. We tucked it in for bed. Just real quick, we put a layer of plastic down, and over that were blankets. These are moving blankets. Over that was a tarp. So this was to seal in moisture and to insulate from the cold, and it worked beautifully. It is dripping, it is nice and wet, so that didn't dry out overnight, didn't freeze, should be good. This is day 6 in total, and right now we're taking apart a couple stakes that were holding the middle form. We're also going to take the screws out, and we're going to finish off these couple bits of rebar after that, and the pour will happen at the same time today, about 10 o'clock. Should be over 50 degrees, and that's how this is going to start. So here's just kind of a close-up of that plan with the expansion board in action, but you can see there's the screws that we had put in from this side, and they are now completely hardened into this concrete, so the expansion board isn't going anywhere. Here's the rebar sticking out of there. If you do something like that, don't step on the rebar. That happened a few times yesterday when we were just about done. Kept stepping on this one, which made this go kept breaking. But I think we're good now. Okay, most of the pour is done. So you want to take a hammer, and if we could float some of this down the edges. That's how that works. So this is bull floating. This is probably the part of the whole process that requires the most finesse. It's more than just a squeegee that's like pushing back and forth. The surface tension, when it sits flat, really grabs. You can actually kind of grab and jiggle the concrete. And then when you need to move it, you need to break away that surface tension by tilting it. It takes practice, it takes finesse. I noticed on yesterday's footage, I talked about it, and you saw about 5 seconds of it on time lapse. This is the actual process. So the first round of bull floating is done. Wind blew some freaking leaves into it. That's annoying, but we have to let it sit for a little bit. Some of these dimples and stuff, I guess if it's a little more set and we'll hit it again with the bull float, it'll just keep working it. There's Father's beautiful handiwork over there. That's the real finesse. Hand troweling that.
Then I can finish it and you won't get those lines.
Real quick, I was drinking and I ran out of water and I was like gulping. What was that again with the lines, with the hand finishing?
There's no way in hell you could do that right now because it's still too soft.
So the lines won't go away while it's this soft.
But this is what I want to get away because this is where you're going to walk in.
Yeah. So this is just way better today, Dad and I agree. The mix is just wetter. It's just doing more what we kind of imagined we needed it to do. It's just better. Well, Father, would you say we screeded it? It had to be twice as fast this time?
Yeah, we had it all screeded within the first hour.
Yeah, the driver was actually really nice. He poured a little and he stopped and he said, hey, you guys want to screed a little? He just gave us more time. God, it was so much better. So today went quite a bit smoother, literally, and it's ridiculously windy. It's just always windy. I do the best I can with the filming in the wind. You just have to bear with me. But this is pretty good. This mix was at least twice as watery as this first batch. So here's what we did. It has the broom finish on there. A couple little imperfections to be expected. Man, it looks good on film. But I'm pretty happy with it. It was so much more runny, so it really floated the edges well. In addition, we had enough extra. The little mini pad got done with the matching broom finish. Very happy with that. It really did well. It's just kind of nerve-wracking. I mean, the two of us are definitely racing the clock doing something this size. The screeding process went absolutely twice as fast with the smooth concrete. Bull floating was okay, not perfect. It had its own quirks, you know. For some reason, this one was like setting up on top and the bull float would pull cracks away from the sides. But we worked with it, did spritz some water on there, and we were doing the broom finish relatively early. It's just setting. We need to give it time to really harden a little. And I think that'll be just about it. We'll get it covered, insulated, so that it doesn't get wet or freeze.
Hey, I have a ball.
I got it. So what we've got going on here was a little rocky outcropping in the middle. And so what you can do is displace your weight with a board. So we took some slurry from what we've been brushing off to fill and float, because those rocks were sticking up. There's no way you were gonna smooth them. It needs to be floated. The liquid needs to be brought up, the rocks need to sink, and a little material added to the top. And I think Father has got it. No, I was worried it would cause more work, more damage putting this board down. And it's not. This is fine. And that is way better. Yeah, you almost can't even see it on film. Cool, Father.
Oh, Jesus. You'll have to edit that.
So we did it. I think we're done. It's just setting. It's all done. We patched a few little concerns. That looks great. It really came out nice over here. I'm gonna do some cleanup, just dust all this off. We're gonna pull that stuff, all the plastic and blankets, and lay them out over there for the night so that side can stay warm and damp. But that's gonna be about it. So 2 days straight, poured a half each day, did all the finishing. Concrete's done. And Dad assures me that this is the hardest part of the whole thing. I have no reason not to believe him. I don't know, he messes with me a lot, so maybe this is the easiest part of the whole thing.
You'll see.
I'll see. Well, thanks for hanging out with us, guys. And I hope this is informative. I hope it's entertaining to watch. It was really hard rushing against the clock, doing the concrete, but it's pretty good and it's all done. So I'm gonna get editing. I'm gonna put some of this together for you and we're gonna chug right along. I'll see you next time.